Here are these AC units again. Here's the Mirastar. Coleman. Film the Whirlpool and air conditioner, so I'm not going to be here for that long. There's the other Coleman. Yep. And this furnace is broken at the moment. It's not turning on anything. This is the furnace for the Mirastar. So yeah, the front office doesn't have any heat at the moment. So yeah. Yeah. And just for the heck of it, I'll go film the other two furnaces. Actually, I'm not sure I'll get the Coleman's furnace, the back office one, because I have to go upstairs to film it. But I'll see. I will film the American Standard. You guys already seen that furnace, but I'll film it again. So yeah. Here's the store furnace. It's running heat right now, at least I think it is. Not sure if the fan's on or what, but yeah. Here it is, the American Standard. And I will film the back office furnace. So yeah, there it is. That's a note from 2023 before the carry around one got replaced. And I'll just leave it there for now. This furnace is kind of a mess. You can see it's got this paint on it. Yeah. This one turret was having a bunch of issues. So yeah. Yeah. It's a Goodman. Yeah. Kind of doesn't look that old, but yeah. All right, thanks for watching.